National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Davenport, moving north at 15 miles an hour. Expected hazards include ping pong balls and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chandler, Stroud, Davenport, Kendrick, and Parkland. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 169 and 182. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.